What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited because I am unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max as well as the new iPhone 12 mini. Now these are two separate videos, so depending on which one you are watching right now, you may want to click the little card up there or go down into the description to hit my other link. So the videos will be separate because I know that not everybody wants to watch both of these unboxings. You may be just interested in one of them or the other. So this video is going to be on the new iPhone 12 mini. I actually decided on the green color for this one in 128 gigs. And this is also the unlocked version. So this is actually my first iPhone purchase in about 6 or 7 years. Back in 2014, I ended up going over to a Note 4, I believe it was at the time, and that's when I decided to switch over to Android from iPhone. With that said though, I do choose to be somewhat platform agnostic, so I do want the ability to be able to review all of these products with you, no matter what the operating system may be. So I do intend to make my reviews about Apple products just like I do with my Android products. I'm not going to treat them any differently. So with that said, let's go ahead and unbox the iPhone 12 mini in green. Now I did want to mention something that I saw on the back of the box. It does say that the power adapter and the headphones are sold separately. So if you don't already have a power adapter at home that will work with the new cable, you have to buy one yourself. I did pick up one of Apple's USB-C 20-watt power adapters. Even though I have a bunch of Android devices in this household, I still wanted to test it out. So I will be including this and testing this in another video coming up very soon on my channel. Okay, let's unbox this dude and get this very, very shiny and reflective material off of this box because that's annoying. So the box is packaged in plastic. There you go. Ta-da! When you open it, boom! The iPhone is front and center. So this is the iPhone 12 mini. Ta-da! It's very cute. I really like this green color. It's a very, very pretty light mint green color. It's not super bright or obtrusive. The sides of it pretty much match. This kind of reminds me of a metallic nail polish that I have. It's very similar to a mint green nail polish that I own at home. Also, if you hear noise in the background, that's because my cat is sitting in a box right now and she's in the studio, so don't mind her. She's just chilling. She's not causing any issues. So next to the phone, we also have the new Lightning to USB-C cable. So again, this is USB-C. Ta-da! Lovely. We also have SIM slot ejector tool, regulatory information, a sticker. Yay! Let's get back to the phone. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to mention was kind of just looking at the design. Down here we have the SIM card slot right there. On the side we also have the volume buttons as well as the volume rocker. Back and forth, just like previous phones. You can see some antennas. That's for 5G right there. And then this is the power button. On the bottom, we have, looks like a speaker. Hello. On the back, you have this very reflective, look, you can see up my nose, very reflective Apple icon. Hello, how beautiful is that? Look at that beautiful nostril. Hey guys. And then up here, of course, you have your lenses, and I will go into details on the lenses in my review, which I plan to post next week. I really like the lens design on here. I love that it's kind of this matte glass color, and it also includes that nice mint green, so it flows into the lenses really nicely. Also, if I turn it on its side, you will notice that it's not very obtrusive. It doesn't poke out a lot, so the lip on here is quite narrow, which means that I feel like when you put a case on here, it'll be a little bit more protected since it doesn't poke out very far. Very nicely designed. Now, of course, we do have the new ceramic type of glass on the front of these iPhones, which I heard are break resistant, but they scratch incredibly easily. So I'm going to be extremely careful with this because I am waiting on some screen protectors that a friend is going to send me. So I will include information on those screen protectors once I do receive them, so you will know which ones I was able to get my hands on. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so we can check out the software. I like the clicky of the buttons. They aren't very loud or anything, so they sound really nice. You can see that in my lens. You can't see that in real life, but you can see it in the lens. So I will go through the whole setup process off camera because it has been a long time since I have actually updated. Oh, that says konnichiwa. It's been a long time since I've set up an iPhone, so I'll do it off camera just in case it takes me a while. But look at that beautiful notch. How lovely is that? Great. Although I understand why it's there, so I'm not gonna pick on them too much about that. But the phone itself feels really lightweight. It feels really comfortable to hold. This is a great size, and I think this is going to be very comparable to, this is the Pixel 5. So the Pixel 4a is a little bit smaller than this, and I'm very curious to see what they feel like side by side. So that's definitely something I'm going to be doing some comparisons of. So that is about everything that I wanted to share with the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 mini. As you can see, it is a great comfortable size to hold in hand, and I really like the design and the form factor. So I'm pretty pleased with the results just out of the box. I am going to do a very in-depth review, just like the ones that I do with my Android devices as well. So make sure to subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell so you can see when my other videos go up. Also, I did want to mention before I close out this video that I do have the Wi-Fi Pineapple winners from my previous video that I did on the Pixel 5 fabric case. So I had 3 winners of the Wi-Fi Pineapple Mark 7, which was just introduced. So those 3 winners are Darkon, who commented, "These comments smell like pineapples." The second winner is Burt Reynolds Mustache, who said, "I'd love to get my hands on the new Wi-Fi Pineapple." And the third winner is Brian McGee, who said, "Trying to get my son a pineapple." Great channel. Also, we are a Google Fi family, so thank you for the Pixel reviews. Well, thank you so much for commenting. I'm so glad that I was able to give out some free Wi-Fi Pineapple goodness because, delicious Wi-Fi pineapples. If the winners have not reached out to me already to claim your prize, make sure to do so because you have a week from this video posting to do that before I go ahead and release those prizes for a future giveaway. And that is about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and record my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing, and I will see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.